So getting into how do we fix the funk? Like, what are some things that we can do to stop our feet from being, Chat says, a biohazard. Strong
A
word.
biohazard. Like you need a hazmat suit or something to get on your feet or something. Yeah, so like we've been talking about, hygiene is the main thing. So that's our baseline. So we first got to know that there's a problem. And so if you have foot odor and it's so hard to get rid of, you probably need to see someone. But initially, just try to use an antibacterial soap is going to be the first thing. And I always tell people initially, there's nothing wrong with scented soaps or various body washes from places, but you really want like a clean, simple antibacterial soap, something like a Dove. Or growing up, my mom used to give us Ivory. We used to have that Ivory soap.
Yes.
And so something very simple, Dial. You want to
Dial.
go back
Yeah.
to it. You don't have to
Some
get all that crazy stuff.
old school.
Get some Dial, and really lather it up. Really get in between your toes is what you want to do. The second thing, like you were saying, you want to keep your nails trimmed. So you don't want long nails. And when we're talking about trimming your nails, we're not talking about like, some people flexible biting them and doing stuff like that, or like picking at them, because that can actually cause more problems. You can pick at the skin, get a little sore, and that can cause infections and even more odor. And so you want to make sure that you're actually getting a clean, clipper, and you're actually trimming your nails if you're going to do it yourself. So you don't want long nails, because like you were alluding to, all of that kind of toenail jam is going to get in there, and that's going to be hard, to keep clean. It's going to bring an odor as well.